Start every day with a new hope. Leave bad memories behind and have a faith for a better tomorrow. Hello everyone, I am Netra Venugopal. I am pursuing master degree in stream of mathematics, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Here I am going to explain in Apple iPhone. Apple Park is the corporative headquarters of Apple Icon located in Cupertino in California. It was opened to employees in April 2017. Apple co-founder Steve Jobs, while construction was still underway and superseded the original headquarters at One Infinity Loop, which opened in 1993. The main building scale and circular ground scrap design by Norman Foster have earned the structural the media nickname the spaceship. Located on a suburban site totally 1.46 km, it housing more than 12,000 employees in one center, four-story circle building of approximately 0.26 km. The campus to look less like a business park and more like a nature refuge. 80% of a site consists of a green space planted with drought resistant trees and plants indigenous to the Cupertino area, and the center courtyard of a main building future of an artificial fountain. Wizard app for the evaluation. Apple was basically innovations of engine. It started for iPad, iTunes, MAC operating system, iPhone, iPad, and so for every time it's coming upon something new that made it way for most of householders with a computer. Apple customer software including the MAC operating system and iOS operating system, the iTunes media player, the Safari web browser, and the iLife and iWork creativity and productive suites it online service, including the iTheme stores, iOS app stores, and MAC app stores, Apple Music, and iCloud. Let's see 9 components of business model Canva. Key partners, key activities, key resource, value proportions, customer relationship, channel, customer segment, cost, revenue streams. A business model Canva is a learn, startup and strategy management template which is used for documenting and developing new business model. Business model Canva contain elements which describe the company, key partners, activities, resource, value proportions, customers, relationship, customer segment, channel, revenue stream, and cost structure. Key partners. Apple key partners including Apple Store developer, manufacturers, publishers, and music sales service, movies and television shows industries. Each of the key partners play a specific role to organization. Key activities. Apple Icon engines in various activity ranging for software developments, manufacturing, design, quality control, and distribution. These activities have result in creations of value proportions. For organizing, the company has invested a lot of marketing its product. Apart from marketing, Apple has invested a lot of research developments. A company keys grow upon new advertising existing items and extend the scope of items offering through innovations work authorizing of product innovations obtained outside of organization innovations. Key resource. Apple has expanded to become among the most valuable portable organization the global. A company several million of clients around the global through retail, outlook location different part of the world. Since established, the company has managed to establish 4,097 stores in 17 countries, 269 retail stores has established in United States and 228 compound in Canada, Australia, China, Hong Kong, Italy, Germany, Singapore, like these states of business Canva models. Value proportions. Key value proportions for Apple company including performance, designs, conversions, states. A company provide value customer through the following: a conveyance all the products Apple including phone, tab, PC user friendly, improving the value, expand store capacity, increasing speed, their subsequent new model, coming upon with designs with simple unique other brand performing client. Revenue streams. A main source revenues company sales iPhone and final statement released the company early November in this year. It sold 46,667 iPhones which shelter of 28,846. A secondary largest source revenue came the sales of the iPads established for other revenues Mac operating system, Apple Watch, Apple TV products and third-party accessories. Apple Touch additional also obtained the revenue service. Apple for digital content service license among the other service. Based on same established November's in this year company regarding the of 8,501 sales service, of 3,231 sales other product like beat the products. Customer relationship. Customer handling at a company has providing significant source success of the company. In it the customer relationship emerge the vapor of success of the company. Organizing cheers various activity maintain better the customer relationship, maintain the activities contain the company am improving customer relationship, including the develop genuine bar and the tech supporting platform inside the Apple retail store, a system providing supportly client Apple phones. Established company should software and hardware retail issues, customer bringing device platforms, present areas of work to fix a problem, clients, the Apple's knows who delay with the clients. Customer segments. A target customer product service offered by Apple iconic including a business people, university, college students, adult, young children's. iPod, socialized friend, Facebook, Twitter, MNC amongst others. A listening music iPod, games Apple, along the University College of Apple's, book iPhones, iPads, recording notes and more suitable students for facilities to creating the Apple desired products. Distributed channel. A company distributor providing various channels including retail outlets, online stores among other. Currently Apple has 463 retails in 17 countries, while web retail organized established 1000 online stores about 37 countries. Well, software and hardware. A customer access Apple product through the apple.com. Cost structure. Apple icon price make meaning the market price of its product demand organizing. Sometimes a company force adjust the price due to strategy of most companies in industries. Over the recent price fluting external force compound mobile phone manufacturing Samsung stores and exactly cost customers Apple customer various accounting product portfolio. The revenue streams. A product iPhones, iPad, Mac Watch, accessories, homes, Apple including stores, Apple phones, music and streams. Thanks for watching my video in your valuable time. Thank you.